Today, we are playing Touching the Sound. Outside, safely, with this. My name is Tom. I work with the five senses, with movement and imagination. Embodied Learning at Home series is for all the parents who are stuck at home with their young children in this new phase of the pandemic. We will only use materials you have in your apartment and things you can easily find in the closest neighborhood around your place. Be safe, always wear a face covering, wash your hands as soon as you return home, and have fun! Going outside, meeting relatives and friends, going back to school in the new normal is an incredible effort for everybody. Due to the pandemic restrictions, children have lost control on many things they used to do independently. Parents are panicking, and here's some help. I have found some additional footage from the previous episode of this series that inspired this new game. Touching the sound is perfect for transitioning from the inside to the outside of your apartment with your children safely. Great for reconnecting with the world outdoors after such a long time of separation. Useful for restarting appreciate silence and the power of listening. Fantastic for training interactions based on physical and emotional movement. Ideal for fostering the ability of listening through muscles and oscillation. This is what we need. One wooden spoon, the mallet we built in the previous video, and this is touching the sound. Touching the sound is not a competition. Try on your own and then let your children explore. I put together a few touching the sound sessions that may inspire you. As learning and discovering is an autonomous and creative act, the results of your experiences and those of your children with touching the sound can and will be different. Simply avoid the direct instruction and enjoy. Take photos and videos of all your experiences with touching the sound and post them on every social media by quoting @Embodied Learning and #Embodied Learning so I can follow your adventures. If you think this idea was helpful, subscribe to the channel and let your friends know. Be safe and see you next time. Cheers!